2017 Camaro. We did a shock sensor add-on, and we also did the cellular module. This thing is a beauty. Basically, he wants to make sure nobody steals the rims or breaks the window and vandalizes the whole car. So we added the shock sensor to the factory alarm. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the tire and the alarm will fire off. There it goes. He got the alert that the alarm went off. He got the cellular module, so when the alarm fires off, he likes to receive a push notification anywhere in the United States. It also comes with GPS that you'll be able to track the vehicle. Yeah, basically it gives him all-around protection in case somebody tries to break any of the windows or, you know, try to jack up the car to take the tires or bust out any of the lug nut locks that will fire off the alarm. Yeah, it's a good add-on to this car if you're planning to keep it and you want to make sure that nobody breaks in and does anything to it. Plus he went ahead and got that cellular module, which is going to help him a lot in case he's far away from the vehicle. He can get alert. Shut off the alarm. We'll probably go ahead and set it a little more sensitive. We're just testing it out right now. We can go real sensitive as far as, you know, banging lightly on the vehicle will fire off, but you got to keep in mind that you may get a little false triggers here and there. That's why we don't like setting them too sensitive, but we're gonna definitely turn this one up a little bit more. This alarm shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami by Auto Alarm Specialists. The numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is the shock sensor add-on to protect the rims and tires in this 2017 Chevy Camaro. Thank you for watching this video.